The second round of the JK Tyre Racing Championship that took place at the Kari Motor Speedway in Coimbatore. The country's fastest race drivers took to the tarmac in the second edition of the hard-fought championship. Our team was there and this is the report that it brings us.
The Halo tarmac of the Kari Motor Speedway in Coimbatore played host to the country's fastest race drivers across 3 categories in their bid to chase down racing glory. The championship is in its 17th consecutive year and is one of the most prestigious championships in the country.
We should be very proud that we have this fantastic entry-level 100% Indian car, and as I said, is the cheapest form of racing that is available in the world. So come to the Indian driver. He has now got a program. He starts from 4-stroke karting in the backyard of his town, graduates to 2-stroke, graduates to LGB, graduates to the higher levels. So I would say if a kid has it in him, he can train himself in this country and actually now launch his career from F3 and above when he goes abroad, which was not the scenario earlier.
The weather god wasn't really kind on the race drivers as the erratic Coimbatore weather made conditions difficult. But all the same, the sirens sounded in the pit lane of the Kari Motor Speedway in Coimbatore and Sunday's racing for round 2 of the 17th JK Tyre Racing Championship began.
By lap I was increasing my speed because yesterday thrice I spun. Both races I was leading, and one race I finished 7th and another one I finished 3rd. So I didn't want to do the same stupid thing again. So I was just keeping my pace low and waiting for lap by lap.
A lot of tussle, a lot of fight, and a lot of weather changes. So it was a lot more harder to adapt to the conditions, and it was a brilliant weekend for me.
Stay tuned this weekend and catch our special coverage on JK Tyre Racing Lines as we bring to you all the action from round 2 of the JK Tyre Racing Championship.